What's up, boutique babes? Welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing these Galactic Valentine's nails. They were one of the winners, although it was a tie. I ended up picking these and they came out so good. I'm so excited to bring these to you all. So let me know what you think of the set in the comments. I actually did that in matte, and then I did a shiny version as well. So let me know which ones you like best. And of course, we're just going in really quick, kind of prepping all the nails, just pushing the cuticles back, filing the shiny surface off so that when we come in to glue our tips on, you know, they have something a little stronger to adhere to. And I've been doing like the method that makes it easier to pull them off with the cuticle oil under your base coat. So you don't have to copy that step. That's literally just for people to take them off quickly. And of course, you get these gorgeous colors in here with your pearlescent watercolors. This is my first time trying this out. I've had it for such a long time, and I'm just now getting to share it with you guys. So let me know what you think of this as well. Also, remember to use a base coat that you don't really typically care about too much as far as using it over the cuticle oil, because you don't want to use that on a client because it's going to be kind of messed up from the cuticle oil mixing with the base coat. So that's literally just to do the quick tips and have them come off really simply, even though I've been having a really difficult time with that lately. If you know of any different ways I can do that, let me know in the comments below. Here I am thinking that, you know, I'm seeing the cuticle oil be used and then they glue on their tips with the base coat and then they're able to pull them off so easily. I've been really struggling with that. So now we're going in with MAKARTT'S Starry Whispers Polygel kit. I freaking love this kit for doing galaxy nails. It's the perfect color combination. So look at this gorgeous iridescent white color. Love this. It's perfect for galactic nails. So today's video is special because I'm actually going to be telling you guys a Valentine's creepy disappearance story that actually happened on Valentine's Day 1997. So without further ado, we're going to get right into this story, and you all let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And won't you be a doll, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on all notifications because I'm telling you right now, I'm going to be doing more of these stories with the nail videos. So let me know what you think of this, everyone, in the comments below. Let me know if you like the combination of the creepy stories with doing nails, or if you think I should just start my own channel for the creepy stories and keep the nails where the nails are, keep them separate. Personally, I like a little bit of a creepy story mixed with some beauty tips, so it doesn't bother me none. But of course, I'm doing this for you guys, so you all let me know what you think in the comment section below, and we'll just kind of get through these nails. So without further ado, this story takes place back in 1997, and it is unfortunately a sad story, but we're just gonna go ahead and tell it how it is. So Donald Billings disappeared 25 years ago after the car he was driving slid off the road, and he was never seen again after walking away. His sister, Janice Billings, has been unable to celebrate Valentine's Day as a direct result, as a just reminder of its disappearance. Originally named Donald, his sister called him Don for short, and he disappeared on Valentine's Day of 1997 from Marion, Virginia. After interviewing the town Sheriff Chip Schuler, he quoted Dateline as stating, "It's one of those dead-end cases, just every lead has fizzled out." He had been investigating the case since 2001. The last day of Don's life was spent with his brother-in-law, who was Janice's husband. Afterwards, he would borrow his sister's vehicle and stated he would meet her at the bowling alley later on in the night. Every Friday, they bowled together at a certain time, and neither of them have ever missed. When her brother Don never showed up, she got suspicious and she knew something was wrong. Unfortunately, though, as Don was an adult, she would be unable to report him missing for another 48 hours. Strangely enough, though, it would be the police contacting her within the next 48 hours. Not about Don, but to let her know that her vehicle had been in an accident. It happened on Friday afternoon, about a half an hour after Don left. This is when she would learn her car slid off the road. Police did mention that another civilian did stop to inquire about Don's well-being, and Don gestured that he was fine and proceeded to walk down the road out of sight, away from the wreck. He did lock the car and take the keys, so that didn't make sense. If he was trying to disappear and start over, he would have just left them, Janice said. Since Don's disappearance, the townspeople have drawn their own conclusions and started their own theories, like that Don may have owed money to drug dealers, and they put a hit out, or another about him going into witness protection for snitching on a few friends that may have been cooking methamphetamine. Law enforcement has claimed that none pan out, and unfortunately, until this day, the case has not been solved and continues to haunt Don's sister, Janice, especially on Valentine's Day. Dateline has speculated that the possibility of him wandering into the woods, getting lost, and then dying as a result of him being exposed to the elements. There have been many other individuals who have sadly passed this way as a result. Strangely, the day of Don's vanishing, Janice remembers speaking to him the day before his disappearance and noticing he wasn't himself and was completely out of sorts. He also made a comment about how he would never do anything to hurt their mom, which was really weird because they were very close. So it made it seem like Don may have knew something she didn't. If you have any information regarding his disappearance, you should contact the Smith County Sheriff's Office at 276-783-7204. Thank you so much, babes, for listening to this Valentine's Day version of a creepy, somewhat creepy, kind of eerie disappearance story. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just remember to try not to be too harsh in the comments. I'm gonna get better as I go along, okay? But yeah, let's get back into watching these nails. Also, let me know what you think could have happened to Donald. Give it your best guess. I mean, personally, he may have had a concussion and had, like, you know, temporary amnesia or something like that. I'm not sure, honestly. I don't really like to speculate without all the facts, but why don't you let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, give it your best guess and let me know what you think could have possibly happened to him. Do you think it was foul play? Do you think he maybe had a concussion and just forgot? You know, maybe do you think he died from the elements? I don't know. What do you think happened? So this finger here, I'm doing a full, that white iridescent nail, like the chameleon, really pretty. And then I'm taking these swoop hearts and I'm doing like, kind of like almost like a necklace effect, but kind of to the side, just kind of draping down the side of that nail. I thought it came out really pretty. And I just used a little bit of the base coat to kind of get those down. My pointer finger was, of course, a crazy nail and super pretty. I did that like Galactic and then put all the shards in different directions so it would look really nice and like give a prism effect. These nails here, the ring and the pinky, are both having half hearts so that we could come in and kind of connect them afterwards. And then I'm doing that half heart on the pinky, so you bring them together, they look like a heart. Then when we do our artwork, we're gonna outline them and do like the ring around them, all that fun stuff. And we're gonna do the background in this gorgeous, gorgeous chameleon white polygel. Really pretty. I really love this kit. I actually really love how these nails came out. Let me know what you all think about them, because we're gonna be doing this really pretty ombre over the white polygel with the blue on the ring finger. And then on the pinky, it'll be the teal that comes over that white chameleon. So I really like, I actually did a similar set to this, I believe last Valentine's Day or the Valentine's before, but I really enjoyed how it came out. So like, you know what? I want to do a similar design to that again. So now we're going in with the teal on the pinky. We're going to bring that down over our chameleon white again. But let me know what you all think of this set overall. We're going to be using this Savaland Galaxy Shimmer Solid Watercolor palette. And I'm drawing a really big heart over here on the thumb because this is going to be like our main heart planet. And I got this idea, actually, I'm not sure exactly how it came to me, but I was like, you know, I've never seen anything like this done on YouTube. So I am, as far as I know, the first to do it. but I'm really excited with how this turned out, and just having like my own design idea and not like getting it from anywhere. So this design is totally inspired by me. I got the idea myself, looking on YouTube. I seen a lot of the same kind of Valentine's designs, and I really wanted to come up with something different, something more fitting to my personality. And we already were voting on the Galactic nails with other designs, and I'm like, you know, I'm thinking about how I want my galaxy nails, and I'm like, you know, it would be so dope to have a heart as a planet nail for the galaxy nails. So cute. Now, as far as I know, I'm the first to do it, but I mean, I guess if anyone else has done it, great minds think alike. So that's all I can say about that. But if you like this set, I know a couple people on TikTok said that they didn't like it, but I actually really love them, and I really like how they came out. It's not just because I did them, because there's sets that I do that I do not like at all, that are hideous to me, but I really, really like how these came out. And I'm just doing swatches for you all on the little towel there, so you can see exactly what the colors look like and how pretty they are, because this is Beetle's new Galactic gel liner kit. And just the whole, I wanted to use everything Galaxy because it was just really inspiring me a lot, using all these beautiful Galaxy colors. They're really pretty. I started using the different colors, like the pink and the violet color, to do like little hearts in the background, kind of like little heart meteor showers type of effect. And then I used the silver to kind of trace around the black ring around the planet, because it gives it that, just more of that 4D dimension, kind of outlining the planets and outlining your art. It gives it more of a standout look. So I'm taking the silver, doing these little abstract hearts all over the place, and then I'll take, oh my goodness, these colors are just so pretty. Beetle's has been doing such a good job with these gel liner kits. I love all the colors that they've come out with thus far. If you've tried their gel liners already, let me know in the comments below what you think of them. I love doing nails. It's very therapeutic for me. So I'm taking this black now, putting it on my resin palette and using my dotting tool to make the dots. And then I use the liner tool itself to kind of pull out on either side to make the 4-point stars, and they look so cute like that. So now I'm coming in on these hearts and bringing them together to do that ring around the planet nice and even. That's our heart planet connecting to each other from the ring and the pinky finger. So now we're doing the 4-point stars in silver and black over on this one. And once again, I'm just using my dotting tool and my gel liners to pull and make those 4-point stars. Now, I've shortened this video down so much for you guys. This video here is like 17 minutes. Personally, I feel like, wow, so it can be done. I'm doing another heart planet over here, but from the side. So it kind of looks like a pair of butt cheeks. Promise that's not the look I was going for, but it came out pretty still, so. But yeah, I really, really liked using this Savaland watercolor palette. It's nice to use, you guys. It makes for really pretty designs and really pretty like marbling effect. So if you want to do like rose quartz or anything like that type of a nail, you can definitely do it with this palette. So moving ahead, let me know what you think of this shortened video. Personally, I think that this could work for us. I think if we could get these videos down to 17 minutes, we might be going somewhere with this. So I'm gonna leave you all here. I love you all so much. Please be a doll, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on all notifications, because you're not gonna want to miss out on these videos, honey. Okay, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if you don't mind. We're doing this in matte and shiny, just to give you guys a look at both. And I will see you in my next one. Let me know what you think of the story. Let me know if you want me to do more. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.